Today's video is about how I gained 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 28 days. And I'll show you how you can double your subscribers in less than a month like I did too. So the first thing that I've done since the YouTube subscriber boom was I changed my YouTube thumbnails. So I went back throughout my older videos throughout the past couple years. I changed the thumbnails to make them all uniform, so they look cleaner, they're more legible, it tells you what exactly the video is about, and made it easier for the viewer to know what they're watching. So if you look back at my YouTube thumbnails now, I think the past 2 years I changed. They're all uniform. They all have maybe 2 or 3 words in the thumbnail telling what exactly, a little snapshot on what the video is about. Thumbnails and titles are the most important things on a YouTube video, because if you don't have anybody clicking on your video, you're not going to have any views, or your watch time hours are not gonna be anything. So the most important thing is to have a good thumbnail and a good title. The next thing that I've done was I promoted my videos through YouTube, where you enter any dollar amount and you'll enter the duration of the promotion. So YouTube will spread out the promotion throughout how many days you have the video promoted. So I promoted several videos, recent videos and some non-recent videos, and I've noticed a substantial increase of subscribers through that, and not just subscribers but views and impressions. Another thing I did to my YouTube channel to gain over 1,000 subscribers in less than a month was posting YouTube shorts regularly. So YouTube shorts are a great way to get your content out to a lot of people, because a lot of people like to watch the short videos, the videos that are catchy, that are quick to watch, maybe have a little bit of music in it. But I started posting YouTube shorts, a few a week, and I've noticed a lot of views in that content. So that's another thing that I did to try to bring my content to more people and gain crazy over 1,000 subscribers in less than a month. If you guys wondered where I was walking today, I'm here in downtown Jersey City. I'm at this little park right by the water. So I think these things that I've went over in this video helped me gain a large amount of subscribers. I've tripled my subscribers through the start of this year, and really grateful and thankful for all the support, all the following, and can't wait to post more, show you more things that I think are interesting. So stay tuned for more.